Hey guys, Jonathan here from TechMajesty.com. Today I'll be showing you how to reset and restore your iPhone 10, iPhone 10s, and iPhone 10s Max. This solution will go ahead and fix any forgotten passcode issues or if your iPhone is stuck on the iPhone is disabled screen. So the first thing you will need to go ahead and do is hold the volume down button, then you will hold the power button right here. So let's go ahead and do that and turn the phone off. After you turn the phone off, on your Mac or PC, go ahead and open up iTunes and then go ahead and connect your USB cable to the computer and then connect the other end to your iPhone. After you go ahead and do that, hit the volume up button, the volume down button, then hold the power button. And hold it until you see the connect to iTunes screen. And there you go. And in just a second, iTunes will go ahead and tell you that you have connected an iPhone that needs to be restored. So you will go ahead and click on the restore option, not the update option, but the restore option. And then you will get a prompt that says restore and update. So go ahead and click on that. Agree to the terms, agree, next. And then iTunes will go ahead and restore the iPhone. So this process can take anywhere from a few minutes all the way up to 20-30 minutes depending on if iTunes has to download the iOS for your iPhone. So let's go ahead and wait. Okay, so iTunes has finished downloading the iOS and it is now going through the recovery mode. Just give it a second. Also, just to reiterate how to go ahead and put the phone into recovery mode, you're going to go ahead and click on the volume up button, then quickly click on the volume down button, and then you're going to continue holding the power button. And there you go. The iPhone is now restarting. So in just a minute or so, we will go ahead and land on the setup screen. Alright, so iTunes has finished restoring the phone. So we are now finally going to be able to set up the iPhone. So let's give it a second. And guys, just to make sure, always have the latest version of iTunes when trying to go through this process. And there we go. Finally, we're on the hello screen. Alright, so swipe up, choose your language, your country, and I'm just going to go ahead and quickly take you through the setup. And you do need a SIM card in the phone in order to go through the activation process. And there we have it. You can now fully access your iPhone. So guys, if this video helped you, please like and subscribe to our channel and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thank you for watching.